Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Welcome to my Facebook Live. I know some people are saying, why this evening? And I did say on the 12th, which is next week Saturday, same time. You're correct. This is a dry run. I want to make sure everything is just right. So remember to tune in next week Saturday, 6:30. But since I'm here, let me make you some quick napkin folds. I'm going to make about 3. All right, so here we go. The first one I'm going to make for you is called a fan. So you lie your napkin flat on the table, fold it in half, turn it over, and you pleat. You're going to make some pleats. You remember when we were going to school and we made those fan out of our book leaves? That's the same thing, same concept. So you fold it to about halfway up, and then you fold it in half again, and you fold it at the back. Leave it to stand up, and that's your fan. That's called a fan. Okay, I made one here for you early on, a white one. So that's a fan. Right, now let me make another one. I'm going to make the tent. People have different names for it. Some people call it the pyramid, but I like calling it the tent. That's what I know it as. In Jamaica, we call it the tent. Oh, I should tell you, you fold the napkin in a triangular shape, then you pick up the left to the top, and then the right to the top. Turn it over and fold it in half. Then you fold it in half again, and that's your tent. Of course, when you put it on the table, this side should be turning to you, but you're there, so I want to turn it to you so you can see what it looks like. And the back looks like that. Third one I'm going to make for you is called the banana peel. So again, you're going to fold a napkin in a triangular shape, and you pick up the left to the top and the right to the top. You go up, fold it, not exactly in half, leave about 1 inch, and then you fold over. The side, you're going to flip it back down. Turn it over, and I hope you can see properly. You're going to tuck this side in the pocket at the back, and then you peel your banana. That's your banana peel. Put it in your plate like that, and that side will face the guests. That's your banana peel. So that's it for this evening. Thanks for joining, and remember, next week we're going to have bigger things. So it's going to be 6:30, same time next week, Saturday. Thanks for joining.